Fuck, bro, it's raining. I can't even open my windows. Oh wait. God, they finally coming in handy, boys. Finally, actually. Oh shit, boys! I've been listening to Shorty like crazy actually, cause it's such a vibe, bro. It just sounds so cool. I fuck with his music heavy, bro. Oh, do you guys even notice? I got a cool little haircut. My mom cut it actually. She just went with the scissors, and I was like, fuck it. It looks better than it was. It was getting too long, boys. It was getting too long. I didn't even know what to do with it anymore. So I was just like, let's just cut it down. And I like how it looks. I still have my little curly curls, you know. And that's all I really needed. You see what I'm saying? But I don't know, boys. Let me know when you guys think, though. Today I don't really got much planned, boys. I'm probably gonna be going on to tomorrow and the next day or something. But I'm just cleaning my headlights because they're dirty, and I might be swapping my LEDs up in here because I have the lights. You see, because they're yellow right now. Oh, hold on. Let me turn left. Oh shit. Oh shit. I almost died. But see, I got LEDs for all of them, bro. Like the doors, the license plate, everything. I think I have something else, but I don't remember what it was. I think there's one more thing, but I don't remember exactly. But you'll see when I get to it.
Nice. They have the 3M version too.
Which should we get?
The 3M.
This one? Mm-hmm. You think this one's the best one?
I feel like, cause I never.
But this one says 2 years.
I heard this one, but this one is good for like polishing, mother's polish. I don't know about the fucking head.
I don't even know, bro. You pick whichever one. Fuck it. We'll go with it. And if it comes out bad, then this one. But this is the upgraded version.
Get this one.
And we'll do medium. Fuck it, we're gonna go with this one. Eating breakfast before we start the fucking thing, and look at this fool. 5% in polish. This fool's watching a fucking video. Oh my god. He's doing this one. I'm doing this one. We'll see who comes out.
He thinks he's gonna do it better than me, so I gotta show him up.
Bro, I am gonna do it better.
He did one before, so he cheated. I have to watch a video.
I didn't cheat, bro. I just cleaned the headlight. What the hell is that cheating, bro?
I don't know how to do it.
It's best to go with 600 grading.
It's not even the right
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, welcome back to another challenge video. Oh my god, I said that. For best, the guy who does it cleaner gets $10,000. $10,000. We have to make it clickbait, bro, so people can be like,
already left.
Oh, $10,000. No, okay.
I have no nails.
Bruh, are you kidding me? Look.
Alright, break it.
Oh my god. Oh, we get gloves too?
Like I said, Michael Jackson. It's better be 2, I'm guessing.
It's 1. I knew it was 1, bruh. You can have the gloves since your hands are more sensitive.
Oh my god, y'all hear this fool?
I think we might have to go one by one. What? Oh look, we got a couple. Oh shit.
No, all the sandpapers are supposed to be used on that one. I just saw the video.
Oh yeah, huh? It starts with the hardest and then goes to.
And
is this only these 2?
Yeah.
So we'll go. Who goes first then? You or me?
You.
You want me to go first? All right, hold on.
I already know what to do. The professional.
Oh my god! Shut up, right here. Hit me with the record then. I guess this one actually might be a tutorial video.
Actually, though, huh?
Yeah.
Can I ask you?
Let me read the instruction, guys. Should I read it to them?
No.
Clean lens with soap and water.
We already fucked that up. Add some more.
I'll be back.
Hey, bring me some water when you come back.
Alright.
I'm fucking dying. Nigga just tried to kill me. He gave me a biscuit with no drink.
This was from the fucking boost gauge. Look. Oh my god. How was your
It was
sweater?
a white tee, nigga. Oh,
Yeah, but I was wearing a sweater.
that's
It went
the
through
worst,
the sweater.
nigga. That's the worst. But you were in the white tee is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
My sweater was cool, actually. It came out normal.
Let's see.
I fucking washed it like 40 million times because it stunk with oil. With
Really?
car oil. Yeah. I wore it and I was like, what? I smell like car. I was like, fuck.
Mechanic. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, your water. Okay, I'll be back.
Bruh.
Sheesh. She's looking good today, to be honest. Never mind. Exposed. He gets hated on by the bird community, bruh. Look at him.
Got him. Oh my god, bruh, no hands.
You know what? It was this girl's fault on my work. She always throws shit at me now, and I'm scared now.
Oh my god.
Some shit blew up on me yesterday. She threw it to me, and it was a bottle of ranch shit.
And you
It fucking spilled all over me, nigga. I was mad.
We're going savage.
What does that mean?
We're winging it.
That's how you know you already lost, nigga.
I didn't lose shit, bro.
You lost, nigga. Let me tell you right now. There's a technique.
Use the Velcro.
There's a technique.
Alright, fuck it, let's go. It says to wet this whole thing first,
Yes.
and then wet this one a bit.
Yes.
Really? That's it?
Like I said, the glove was for me, but he put it on.
Oh, shit. I was in the moment, bruh.
It's cool, man.
It's,
I know you got more sensitive hands than me.
oh my god.
I know that's why you wore it.
Dude, I could literally go like this right now. No hands.
Look at my hand.
No hands.
Working hands. Oh my god. You guys remember when you got that? Oh my god, man.
I don't even think they do. I don't even think I showed.
Did you? Oh, you didn't?
I don't show my battle scars.
Oh my god, oh my god. Nick was working on something and he fucking cut himself. And doesn't know how to act. It's cool.
I'll go like this first, and then we'll hit it after, so we still have some for your shit. You know what I mean?
Let me see it. That shit's gone already,
Nah, you
nigga. Whoa, brand new!
Brand new. Nah, we'll clean it good right now. And the girls, this is what the girls saw in the front, bruh. Oh my god. I didn't have my headlights cleaned. I didn't even have my bumper scoops. They're probably like, ew. He didn't have his
They're paying
headlights.
attention to your cue guys, nigga.
Dude, it was so awkward, bro. They were across the street, and they were like, ah! I didn't know if they were waving at me. So
Nigga
I
was
didn't
probably
know.
thinking that they were waving to someone behind him, huh?
Yeah, because you know how awkward that is? You start waving at them, and it's not
I know
you.
what you. I done that before,
Hell
dude.
no.
Some girl, I don't even know who it was, and she was waving, and I was like, is she waving at me? So I just went.
And then they look at you like, what the fuck?
And then this nigga comes up behind me, and he's like, oh, like he started saying some other shit, and I felt hella embarrassed, dude. I was like, oh.
That's
shit.
why I didn't want to take my chances, bro. I'm sorry for ignoring you guys. But then they turned the corner or the turn, and then they waved, and then I waved. Oh, actually, I went on some cool, on some slick shit, huh?
Yes.
They're probably, oh my god.
What a savage.
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's funny.
They probably got fucking boners. Nah, just kidding. They were cool though. They had a cool little GTI, so I was like, oh shit, that's what's up.
I wish I could have seen it.
It was pretty
Yeah,
stock,
that's
but it was cool. It was cool. It was cool that they were. Into
Wait, was it
that
the
shit.
same color as your old one?
Nah, it was like a darker gray.
No.
Nah, Mrs. might actually come out worse. Nah, you know, y'all thought.
did that shit on purpose.
Here, I got you with some edits.
Nigga turned into a Call of Duty sniper.
says top to bottom. Oh shit.
Sheesh.
Okay. Does it hella look like a dip?
Nigga, that goes crazy.
I was not expecting that shit to do that.
It went too hard, nigga. Look at that.
Oh shit. I might fuck yours up on the accident. I
Like
think your
on
headlight
purpose.
just got fucked, dude. Cause you see this part? I think your headlight is just already fucked up in general.
But it cleaned it more than it.
Oh my goodness. Nah, it still comes out clean though. Oh. Oh. There we go.
Yeah, bro, that shit looks hella good. Look at it.
Oh shit.
That shit looks hella good, nigga.
I didn't even know.
No
this.
cap. Sus.
Oh damn.
That shit looks hella good, nigga.
Dude, they should have seen me like this, dude.
Oh cap.
Those girls should have seen me like this, bro. God. You gotta take care of your loved ones, bro. The clear is done drying. I don't even know if we should wipe it, but
Fuck it.
I'm gonna just say fuck it for real. It turns hella yellow. God damn. It might not even change. Yeah, look, it didn't even change. It didn't even change. Okay, that's way cleaner.
Nigga, that shit look hard.
Which one goes harder though, boys? Mine? Take a good look. Okay, that's hella clean. Or Misa's? I think Misa got fucked though, cause this lens is already fucked. So I think kind of unfair, to be honest. Check it out, boys. That was a cool little fucking thing. They come out pretty clean. It didn't take too long either. 30 minutes. But they look pretty sick. Oh, they look way better though. Nice. We about to go ride. Finish vacuuming the inside too. Cause boys, if those girls were like, oh, can we go for a ride? Oh, they would have came in here and seen a fucking mess. But now they can come for a ride. My hands are cold, bruh. My hands are cold. I don't know why. Oh my god. What are you tripping for, Misa? Are your hands not cold? Oh shit. Dude, I'm about to lose control. Round of applause for Misa. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know if you guys see that, but oh. Oh. Still going at it, boys. Oh shit, oh shit. Nigga, I'm about to lose control. Psych.